We got a live event this morning. Stick around, I'll show you what's going on. It is 7 a.m. and it is quite cold out. I got the car backed up. For those of you that have been following us, we're in the process of getting a new press in here, so it's a little empty at the moment. However, I have to take the little press apart, pack up the flash, gather my inks, and hit the road. I'm all packed up. It's time to hit the road. I am here. Place over there is called Space. I'm gonna go talk to the owner and see where we need to set up. I got everything all set up, but I ran into an issue. I have to figure out my plug situation because the plug that is connected to the flash dryer, it's a 110 volt and all they have is 110 outlet, so I have to go get an extension cord and a plug for the end of the flash. Alright, what I got figured out is I just went back to the shop and grabbed our heat press, and we're just going to cure the shirts with the heat press. I'm sure it will go fine. And I'm pushing it to the last minute. I know Shannon had talked to them about the power requirements. They said that would be fine, but we're making it work. I'll see you guys back at the place. We're all set up. There's Michelle. She's here. Here's our press, and then these are all the vendors here. So we'll have to go around and check them out a little later and say hello. I'm taking pictures of you. Moving pictures 2020. Things are slowing down a little bit, and I think I'm going to walk around and check out some of the vendors. So there's Sanmar, SNS, Alpha Broder here and some other local vendors. So we'll just walk by.
I need to add some light.
This is Megan. Bye. So there's San Mar. Got Badger Sport. SMS Activewear. Coffee. Chicken and waffles. KTI promo. Alpha Broden. Hi!
Yes.
We're Express Line. Some promo stuff.
Yeah, I think hers had like prosciutto and like pesto and some other stuff on it.
And there's Michelle. We're all done, about to tear down. And they're taking a group photo, which I was part of the first time, but they'll probably call us. Hopefully not. Hey guys. Well, that was a lot of fun. I have everything packed back up into the car, and I'm heading back to the office because our new press is here. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.